Today, we will be testing a crypto day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 496 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video on a live trading account. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto day trading strategy. And so the source video says this is the indicator that has kept me king in the market till now. And so, this isn't just one single indicator, and so of course we should always take that into note. I'm not sure it makes a huge difference, but it's just interesting how often the source videos claim to have this one holy grail indicator, but it is typically a mashup of a few different well-known indicators that everybody has access to and everybody really knows about them. And so it just kind of leans to the credibility of the source video and whether or not they are being accurate or not in their statements. And so now that I've rambled on about that, let's just go ahead and hide the two indicators we have on screen now. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the uptrend SMA oscillator. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and we will, let's see, jump into the settings of this. Actually, all the settings of this one actually stay on the default settings. Same with the second indicator, and that is the SSL channel. It's this one right here by Miss Tricky. Again, both of these indicators are, the second one anyways, the SSL channel, very well known in the trading community. Definitely not a secret. Lots of people talk about it. There's the SSL channel, then the SSL hybrid. But as far as the uptrend SMA, I don't think I've heard of that one yet. But nonetheless, for a short trade, what we are looking for is we are looking for a sell signal, a sell tag from the SSL channel like this right here. And when we get that sell tag, we are looking to the uptrend SMA, and we want it to have a red colored line. And so it's kind of hard to see because it's hidden in behind the sell tag here. But if I hover over the line, you can see it brings it to the foreground, and you can see that the line here, the SMA line, is red. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a short. And so we'll put our trade right here. We'll put our stop right above the SSL channel right there. And then we are going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see that it takes just a little bit, but we eventually make our way to the downside here, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we are looking for is we are looking for the buy tag from the SSL channel like this right here. And then we are going to look down to the SMA line, and we want that to be green, just like it is here. And so that will be our setup for a long trade. We'll put our position right there, put our stop just right below the SSL channel. And again, we are going to target that 1 to 1.5 risk reward right there. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. Alright, with this one, you can see that we just kind of run sideways for a little bit, come down, kind of sweat real close down there to our stop before we make that nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test, and out of those 50 trades, we got 20 winning trades and 30 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 40% win rate. So with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $12,000. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $12,000. So you'd have been at pretty much break even, not including any spreads or commissions. And so most likely you would have been down a decent little amount after that's all said and done. Now I would like to make a correction since we are here with kind of the same setup. I made a video just the other day, and in the comments a few of you mentioned that I misspoke about the win rate of that particular testing, and so it was my mistake, but I did misspeak, and I just flipped the numbers around. And so I believe what happened was I said that there was a 50 trade test and we had 30 winning trades and 20 losing trades, but it was the opposite. It was a 40% win rate, so we had 20 winning trades and 30 losing trades. Just wanted to make that clear. The numbers were still the same. It was still a 40% win rate, so it definitely wasn't a 60% win rate indicator or strategy. We don't get a whole lot of those, so generally when we do, I'll kind of call them out as being a really decent strategy, and it definitely wasn't one of those. So anyways, back to this strategy here. Now, 40% win rate, like I said on this one, pretty much break even. Now with the Academy of Forex indicator, during the same period of time, we did 52 trades altogether. We had about an 80% win rate, and the total gain using the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons would have been right around $25,000. And so definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.